another movement, and I do not want us to be taken unawares in that particular move. I know our initial long targets have actually been met, which we had 22k, 24k, and then 28k as the final target on the long trade. But we've been on that long and we've been very profitable ever since. Bitcoin has been ripping hard and has gotten to our target, one of our targets, and headed for the second, almost at the second target. So we could also say that we have our target one, and our target two has been hit. Why? We are with target three. But there is a tendency that BTC might have a fall or a retracement within the next coming days. And this fall should go to as low as 19k to 18k. So the possible entry levels is around 23k, which is, I think that's around the area it is right now, and we would want to wait for the next 24 hours. If Bitcoin still hovers around 23k between today and tomorrow, the next day, what we want to do is you want to enter a short trade and put a stop loss around 24k or 23,400 or 23,500. You just place the stop loss there. That's if it hovers around within the next 24 hours. We're going to enter a sell and then hold the sell down to 20k, 19k. Who knows, BTC might just go as low as 17k to as low as 18k. It's going to go real down once it starts retracing. Retracement is going to be a very heavy one and will make us a lot of money in the new week. So I anticipate this to play out in the new week. We are entering, let's say Bitcoin, and this means that if you're on long trade on alts, you don't want to close, you want to trim your stop loss, let it be to let you move your stop loss like break even levels or increasing the high, so your good trades or your profit trades does not turn to become bad trades. Or if you engage in hedge trading like myself, one of the things you want to do is you definitely want to enter a short while you are on your swing long position. That's if you do hedge trading. So personally, I do hedge trading, and but I might have to close my long positions and then enter the short positions for Bitcoin. So that is definitely what we should be expecting for Bitcoin. But the confirmation is going to take within 24 hours. Right now, it's at a strong resistance. 23k to 23,200 is actually a strong resistance that should send it down really hard. But we want to confirm if it's not going to break through and goes to like our TP, our third TP. Because if it breaks through, it will just keep on flying and flying and flying and flying. So I want to be careful for us to get the most accurate entry for a short and a sell, which is obviously around the level it is now, around that levels of 23k. That's where it is right now. So one of which, if it hovers around that for quite a while, like for the next couple of hours to the next to tomorrow, then there's a possibility for us to make an entry for a sell and then adjust our stop loss because it is going to go down to 20k, down to 19k. It's going to go down that low. That's definitely what we want to expect, and we are definitely going to be looking towards if that plays out. So just prepare yourself to benefit and to make so much money from it. But if it just continues ripping up and up, let's say just continue ripping up within the next 24 hours, so like 24k, 25k, then we know that we're going to get a higher entry level, which is different from 23k, and then we'll stay short the market and still make profit on it either ways. Okay guys, I hope this definitely meets us well, and you could utilize the information I just shared now to maximize the next major move in Bitcoins for the next week and for the market as well.